Up for sale, 1966 Pontiac GTO. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 66 GTO, two-door hardtop, 242 VIN. Beautiful color combo. Frame off restored. 389 tri-power, automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes. And as always, I'm going to go around it, tell everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course, we'll start her in the front, as always. And like mid-year Corvettes, I seem to be falling into some GTOs lately, and I got to tell you, love them. Especially this one. The color combo, the quality of the frame-off restoration, the body is so straight. Chrome in the front, I'll show you that a little bit. All new interior. But anyway, we'll just start right here on this chrome bumper. It is a 242 VIN GTO, like I said. Chrome in the front is beautiful. No dings, no pitting. Both bezels are nice. And actually this hood fitment looks to be really the right way. Sometimes they're too close, sometimes they're even closer. This looks to be the right way you want to see it. Bezel super nice there. And I mean, if you look in, this is probably the worst thing in the front end. But anyway, if you look in here, this is all super nice. In here, all nice. The quality of the paint, the condition of the paint, the depth of the color when you look at it. Look how nice the hood lines up here. The body is so straight, so straight. I mean, look at that when you look down the side. The Rally 1 wheels with this interesting center cap. I do actually like it. BF Goodrich white letter radial tires. And again here, all this fitment is nice the way you want to see it. The finish in here is the way you want to see it if it'll focus, yeah. On both sides. And there only seems to be like a handful of blemishes on the car. Anything that jumps out at me, I will show you. And I did just notice one over here that I missed. So let's go back. This little guy right here. Real small right on top of the hood, little touch up. But let's go ahead, pop it open. The engine bay is super nicely detailed. All the black looks great. Inner fender wells. Quality job with the paint. Stamping there. And a matching stamping right here. I believe all the body panels are original, as well as the floors. It really looks that way. And again, we'll go through it a little more in depth as I go around it. Non-matching. It's a YH block, 389 tri-power. The guy that I bought it from owned a restoration shop, so great guy to buy a car from because obviously he wants his toys to be as nice as the stuff he puts out for customers. It does have headers on there. Sounds sweet. All the carburetors were rebuilt not too long ago, and you can tell from starting, running, driving that they're dialed in. Power steering, power brake booster for the power front disc brakes. Trim tag is in place. I did take a picture of that. I believe it was, I'm looking at the code C, I believe it was white to begin with, but this color is just so pretty. Firewall unmolested. Love seeing that as well. Underhood painted too. You see that? Really nice. Anyway, I'm gonna fire it up here. Let you guys, I mean, look at when you stare straight onto the door, look at that finish. You open it up. The hem is beautiful, both sides. Ignore the coffee cup. Finish in here as well, that you see. Anyway, it will just, because I was just moving it around. she just runs so good. Turbo 400 automatic. I'll show you the trunk real quick. Actually, might just not get that over with because, again, trunk nicely detailed, nicely finished like you would expect it to be. And then we'll go down the driver's side of the car as always, work our way around it back to the interior. Matching spare jack. The tire iron, well, you can't see it. It's underneath right here, actually. Original trunk pan, finished in the blue spatter paint that you see there, not patched. And then when I get in here and I look, I don't feel any replacement panels. You don't feel a seam put in. And you could make out a little bit of the stamping there and the matching one there that would make sense. So, oh, it even has the part of the kit that's over there. The wiring's nice and tidy, even as far as like the lock being painted separately from the spatter paint here. I kind of like that stuff. New weather stripping. The finish in here, really well done. Under hood, same thing. You see how nice the hem is here all the way up. You can see how nice it is all the way in there. Anyway, trying to think if anything else jumps out at me right now while I'm here. No. Do I have the key? Yes. So, driver's side of the car we go. Beautiful finish in here as well. It's not, you know, sometimes you see them skimp out a little bit. This is how you want to see it. Love the wheel well moldings comboed with the paint color. Like I said, it is disc in front. So first couple marks that I see here, like a little guy right there, and then like the size of a pencil tip right there. But again, look how nice this fitment is on this fender. And then the finish all the way back and up. Two little marks right there. And I didn't want to go touch anything up because I don't have the color, and I'd hate to put the wrong color on here. No bubbles on the car, no rust underneath the car. Still have the drain plugs in place there. The inner rockers are mint. Mint, you can see the new weather stripping in here. The nice finish. And then they went and they did the whole interior. New door panels, armrests, cranks, carpet, floor mats, front and rear seats, seat belts in the front. Back seat redone, door panels, both sides, no speakers put in the package tray. And super nice headliner. The dome light works. The light works. Where is it at? It's under the dash. I just saw the reflection down there. Even the console light works. You can see that. I believe the dashes are original. I do love when they leave that. You know, it's only original once kind of an idea. Dash pad was replaced, no cracks in it. Here, looks nice. Let's see what we got. Thing. Miscellaneous paperwork. I'll throw that out. Trying to think what else. Like the attention to detail with the carpet, with the floor mats, keeping the carpet clean. Console looks great. They installed an aftermarket radio. They hadn't wired in the speaker, so I took this. They hadn't mounted the speakers, so I took the speakers out. I'm going to include them with the car. The idea was to put them in the package tray, but I'm like, I don't want to chop up the package tray on such a nice car. Just think what else here. Really, this finish in here is just beautiful. Door shut like a glove. The line that finished down here is super nice. No bubbles, like I said. One little mark right there, if you can see that. But again, everything's been like super small. You gotta get a better line in here. Mint. Finish on top of the car looks awesome. You can see the reflection on the building. And then again, it's not cracked in here. It's not cracked in here. The finish down here is super nice. There you go again, little pencil tip sized mark there. Again, bumper, beautiful. Trim in the back, super nice. Even the chrome there for the tail lights, the emblems have been replaced. The top of the trunk lid, the whole back deck is super nice. Even here, the finish in there, a little hard to see, but beautiful. Again, that fitment here up, finish down here. You could really notice how much time they put into putting the back trim in. You know, nothing was marked up here or on that side. No cracks in the glass. I know I haven't mentioned that yet. Mint in here. Again, new weather stripping. The paint is nice. Finish in here as well. And again, you got a new door panel, armrest, cranks. But it'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. eBay is always updated first. I'm behind on the website. I apologize. Back seat is super nice again. Easier to make out the door panel there. Even if you're able to even see the finish in there, really nice. All this lines up the way you want it to. And then here's the last blemishes on the car. About 1, 2, 3, 4 little nicks right in that area. But all very minor, like I said. You know, nothing down here. But thank you for watching. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. it for sale. Have a good one. Go. You can go. Yeah. Turn signal light works. Yeah, give it a little acceleration. She's really quick. She's really quick.